system ctl start MySQL d MySQL ps minus grep minus I MySQL MySQL minus u root. Yeah, so actually I can connect it. I did not specify any password on this one. So the way you do it is I connect to that one. Now I could say select password, and then I could say here whatever password I want to say. For example, say MySQL password. For that string, I'll get a different hash. And then if I just do this one, select password, and then put new password. Obviously, every word that you put, you get a different hash code. And then that was the one that I wanted to use. If I say show databases, it's showing all the database. MySQL is one. So then I say use MySQL, and then I say show select user plugin, and then authentication, a string from user. Those fields describe plugin. I think my user, and then you could see authentication is there, plugin is there. So I could say select user, comma plugin, comma authentication underscore string from user. And those are the field, and then you can see the plugin. They're all there, and then this is auth socket. So the reason it was, it would, if this one is not MySQL native, then I just have to insert it. And notice the password field is empty. So that at this time I could insert the record to it, and then later on use that password, or leave it with the empty things, and then later on I could just press enter and then get connected and update it. So let me leave it like it is, because this is a session that we already passed our time already. I'm gonna end the video here, and then next time when we log in on this machine, I'll set a password for it, and then we could just do some bash scripting as well with it. Okay. Everyone have a nice day, and I'm going to stop at this point.